Welcome to Moonlit Meadows Tales. Today we have a fun Grade 2 English quiz all about opposite words, also called antonyms. Your job is to find the correct opposite word. You can pause the video to think carefully before answering. Are you ready to test your brain and have fun? Let's begin!
Ready, go!
What is the opposite of accept? Accept means to agree or take something. The correct answer is reject. Reject means to say no. Did you get it right? What is the opposite of ancient? Ancient means very old from long ago. The correct answer is modern. Modern means new or from recent times. What is the opposite of apart? Apart means separated by a distance or by time. The correct answer is together. Together means they are close or joined. What is the opposite of arrival? Arrival means coming to a place. Take a guess. The correct answer is departure. Departure means leaving a place. What is the opposite of attack? Attack means trying to hurt someone. The correct answer is defend. Defend means protecting yourself or others. Was your answer right? What is the opposite of bent? Bent means something is curved. The correct answer is straight. Straight means no wavy lines or corners. What is the opposite of bitter? Bitter is a sharp, strong, and sometimes harsh flavor. The correct answer is sweet. Sweet is a sugary taste like candy. Nice effort! What is the opposite of borrow? Borrow means taking something to return later. The correct answer is lend. Lend means giving it to someone for a short time. What is the opposite of brave? Brave means not afraid. The correct answer is scared. Scared means feeling afraid. Being scared is a normal, temporary feeling that happens when your brain thinks something might be dangerous or new. What is the opposite of build? Build means to make something. Choose wisely. The correct answer is destroy. Destroy means to break it. Don't give up. What is the opposite of careful? Careful means paying attention. The correct answer is careless. Careless means not paying attention or not taking care, which often leads to mistakes or accidents. What is the opposite of cheap? Cheap means something costs little money. The correct answer is expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot. Good thinking. What is the opposite of deep? Deep means going far down. The correct answer is shallow. Shallow means something is not deep. What is the opposite of difficult? Difficult means something is hard to do. The correct answer is easy. Easy means simple to do. Fantastic effort. What is the opposite of enemy? Think before choosing. The correct answer is friend. An enemy is someone who does not like you, but a friend likes and supports you. What is the opposite of excited? Are you ready to give it a try? I know you can do it. The correct answer is calm. Excited means feeling very energetic, but calm means relaxed and quiet. What is the opposite of fail? Are you sure about that? Let's find out. The correct answer is pass. Fail means not succeeding, but pass means succeeding. What is the opposite of false? Awesome job thinking. Now, make your final choice. The correct answer is true. False means something is incorrect, wrong, or a lie. But true means something is correct, real, or a fact. What is the opposite of few? Can you figure this one out? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is many. Few means not many, but many means a large number. Excellent thinking. What is the opposite of forget? Hands up if you know the answer. The correct answer is remember. Keep practicing. What is the opposite of future? Take a guess. The correct answer is past. Future means time that will come later, but past means time that already happened. What is the opposite of give? Take your time and choose your best answer. The correct answer is take. Give means letting someone have something, but take means getting something. What is the opposite of heavy? Ready to show what you know? Let's find out. The correct answer is light. Heavy means something is hard to lift because it feels like a big rock, while light means something is easy to lift because it feels like a feather. What is the opposite of honest? Ready to check our answer? The correct answer is dishonest. Honest means telling the truth even when it's hard, like admitting you broke a toy, while dishonest means lying or hiding the truth, like saying you didn't do it when you did. What is the opposite of increase? Choose carefully. The correct answer is reduce. Increase means becoming more, but reduce means becoming less. What is the opposite of kind? No pressure, just try your best. The correct answer is mean. Kind means being nice to others, but mean means not being nice. What is the opposite of legal? The correct answer is illegal. Legal means something is allowed because there's a rule that says it's okay, like riding your bike on the sidewalk, while illegal means something is against the rules and you can get in trouble for doing it, like riding your bike on the highway. What is the opposite of narrow? Let's see who guessed it right this time. The correct answer is wide. Narrow means not much space, but wide means having a lot of space from side to side. Keep trying. What is the opposite of polite? Are you polite to your grown-ups? The correct answer is rude. Polite means using kind words and actions that make others feel good, but rude means having bad manners. What is the opposite of possible? Let's see what you think. Choose your answer. The correct answer is impossible. Possible means something can happen, like catching a ball if you try, but impossible means something can never happen, no matter how hard you try, like touching a rainbow. What is the opposite of positive? The correct answer is negative. Positive means something good, happy, or helpful, like cheering for a friend or saying, while negative means something bad, sad, or unhelpful, like saying mean words or giving up. What is the opposite of private? Let's find out if you made the right choice. The correct answer is public. Private means something is just for you or your family, like your bedroom or a secret you don't have to share, while public means something is for everyone, like a park or a library where anyone can go. What is the opposite of profit? The correct answer is loss. Profit means gaining money, but loss means losing money. What is the opposite of reward? You can do it. The correct answer is punish. Reward means giving something good, but punish means giving a penalty. Good try! What is the opposite of safe? It's okay to guess. Every try helps you learn. The correct answer is dangerous. Safe means something is okay and won't hurt you, like holding a grown-up's hand to cross the street, while dangerous means something could hurt you, like running into the street without looking. What is the opposite of sharp? Can you name something sharp in your home? The correct answer is dull. Sharp means something can cut easily, like a knife or scissors, so you have to be very careful, while dull means something is too blunt to cut well, like a butter knife that just smashes instead of slicing. What is the opposite of thick? I bet you can solve this. Trust your instincts and guess. The correct answer is thin. Thick means something takes up a lot of space and is hard to squeeze, like a big stack of books, while thin means something takes up only a little space, like a single piece of paper. What is the opposite of tiny? Great guess! Let's see if you nailed it. The correct answer is huge. Tiny means very small, but huge means very big. Nice effort! What is the opposite of victory? The correct answer is defeat. Victory means winning, but defeat means losing. Keep learning. What is the opposite of visible? The correct answer is hidden. Visible means something you can see, but hidden means you cannot see it. Amazing job, everyone! Did you enjoy learning opposite words today? Tell us in the comments, how many questions did you get right? Keep practicing and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. See you next time. Goodbye!